Hi everyone, Center for Non-Adjective Evaluation would like to show you a demonstration of liquid penetration testing method. We can call it PT method. This entity technique can detect open surface defect of testing objects that make up non-porous material. In this video, we will introduce two techniques of PT. The first technique is a visual penetration examination method C solvent removable and developer form E, non-aqueous for type 2 pelletion. There is some equipment, tool and material necessary for practice of this technique. Type 2 visible pelletion spray bottle. Method C solver removable spray bottle. Developer non-aqueous for type 2 pelletion spray bottle. Light intensity measuring method. Ruler. White and clean cotton rag. Testing object. The testing process includes 6 steps. Step 1. Free cleaning. Visually observing testing object using solver spray bottle and clean rag to clean rust, grease, and stain on the surface of testing object. Checking light intensity on the surface of the object is much higher than 1000 nanometer. Step 2. Pelletion application. We can spray or brush pelletion to apply on the surface of testing object. So the dwell time is about 5 to 10 minutes. Notice that during the pelletization time, do not let the pelletion become dry on the surface. We can spray or brush to add more pelletion. Step 3. Excess pelletion removal. Excess pelletion can be removed by whipping with a clean, dry cotton rag or absorbent paper. Repeating action until most trace of pelletion has been removed. The remaining trace should be removed by whipping the surface with clean rag, lightly moistened with salt. A wide rag is recommended to observe a better removal of the excess pelletion. Step 4. Developer application. Shake well and spray to form thin, even and smooth layer of developer. Waiting for developer time is about 10 minutes or maybe longer depending on the application procedure. Observing the indicator appearing on the surface. Step 5. Interpretation and evaluation. Measuring the size of the continuous indicator and evaluating according to the applicable standard. Step 6. Port examination cleaning. Using sunless spray bottle and clean rag to remove or used material on the surface of testing object. Ensure that the penetrating material doesn't damage the object. The second PT technique introduced to you is fluorescence pelletron examination. Method A, water whatsoever, and developer from A derived. There is equipment, tool, and material necessary for practice of the technique. Taiwan fluorescence pelletron. Method C, solvent removable spray bottle. Developer from
A.
derived power. Ultraviolet lamp. Ultraviolet intensity measuring method. Testing object rule. White and clean cataract. Staten PT system. This is our product under Science Research in 2017 with the title Research on Design of Stationary System for Liquid Penetration Testing done by Mr. Nguyễn Văn Duy. The system includes penetration station, rinse station, developer station, testing station, and dryer station. The testing process includes 7 steps. Step 1. Free cleaning. Visually observing testing object. And using solvent spray bottle and clean rag to clean rust, rinse, and stain on the surface of testing object. Checking intensity of ultraviolet on the surface of testing object. It requires minimum 1000 microwatt per square centimeter. Step 2. Pelletron application. We can spray or brush pelletron to apply on the surface of testing object. Notice that during the pelletization time, do not let the pelletion become dry on the surface. We can spray or brush to add more pelletion. The dwell time is about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Accept pelletion remover. Excess water washable pelletion should be removed by spraying water with suitable freshener. Step 4. Dry in the testing object. Using a dry and clean rack or using hot air dryer to dry the testing object. Notice that do not make object over dry. Step 5. Developer application. Dry developer powder should be applied only onto a dry surface by hand powder pump, powder gun, or other means. Apply evenly the powder layer on the testing surface. Developing time is recommended. Developing time is recommended about 10 minutes or maybe longer depending on the application procedure. Step 6. Interpretation and evaluation. Measuring the size of the continuous indicator and evaluating according to the applicable standard. Step 7. Pot examination cleaning. Using solvent spray water and clean rag to remove used material on the surface of testing object. Ensure that the pelletion material doesn't emit the object.